guys, it's me, Salamanca. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, nasa Colorado event tayo because nakapag-fill out tayo ng form online and we got an email confirmation to attend here, and now we're here. Actually, it's already my end time because there's a slot here, but I really enjoyed and I got to take a picture and a video with Miss Nina herself. So now let's gonna have this photo booth and then we're gonna leave. But before that, I will show you everything that I saw and experienced inside the event. So watch for that. See you guys! Good morning. Andre. Salamat. Thank you. Salamanca. Thank you so much.
And here's your stuff.
Thank you very much.
Hi there.
Hello po, good morning.
We have two drinks for your prawns. This was your cutting cheese.
I'd like this one.
This one.
Ah.
May I have your stock? This one.
It got wet. Let's do a voiceover, guys, to avoid copyright. So here I'm getting a matcha strawberry drink. So umpisa pa lang, guys, sobrang struggle na, daming bit-bit. And that's the name of the drink that I got here from Angkan. And here's a fun fact, guys. Ang pag-attend sa beauty event like this one is nasa bucket list ko for this year. So here I would like to show you something that I got for free here. So watch me struggle, guys. First try, second try, almost done, third try. So we got a trinket which is an anik-anik. So yan, posing lang dyan. Here's the Velveteen's comeback, guys. And of course we have Miss Nina. And ito, struggle pa rin. So I decided to walk around. I saw this big cake. And of course, I just have to get a cake pop. Guys, it's very masarap. Very masarap! Ewan ko, guys, pero at this point, dyan, sobrang nahihiya ako. Plano kong makipag-selfie with Miss Nina, pero grabe, yung hiya ko to the highest level. Nahiya ako.
Mag-isa ka lang din.
So may lumapit sa akin girl, guys. Naramdaman niya yata yung hiya ko. Grabe, 'di ba? So ayan, nag-offer siya na picturean niya daw kami ni Miss Nina. So nag-thank you ako sa kanya na very very bongga. Kasi guys, if you didn't know, sobrang bihira ako mahiya. Promise, hindi ako mahiyain. Hello po. Nahiya po ako. Video po tayo.
Hi! Thank you for coming. Thank you po.
Thank you, Nina. See you again. Of course. binigay sa akin na coin upon entrance, and ayan yung nakuha ko. May bola na may sticker and may candy. Yung iba dyan guys, mismong Colorette Velvetins yung laman or yung mismong product ni Colorette na lipstick. At this clip guys, I decided to leave the event already. Let's try that. Nakapila po kayo? Ay, okay. Okay na po ba yun? Thank you. Madali lang yung over. Yes. Thank you very much. So guys, we got into a photo booth before we leave here. So guys, ayan o, ang dami kong bitbit. Alam niyo na, struggles. Hi guys, so we ended our event already and now we're very quickly. That's my picture right there. I really enjoyed guys, and I got a strawberry matcha drink. Guys, we got it. We got 2 cupcakes. We got 2 cupcakes and then meron pang pila guys. So ayun, pag hindi niyo ako narinig. At marami ako ilalagay na subtitle dito guys. So yun, I really enjoyed guys. Thank you so much for watching and thank you so much Miss Nina for having this event for us. And I really congratulate you so much and I love your Colorette. Thank you guys and thank you guys for watching. Bye!